Pizza and beer, a tasty duo in English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting and appetizing topic. The phrases, pizza and beer. In English, these words are not just about food and drink, but they carry cultural and social connotations as well. Let's explore why these items are often mentioned together and what they represent in English-speaking cultures. Get ready to discover the fun and flavor in language. First, let's talk about the basics. Pizza is a popular dish originating from Italy, known for its round, flatbread crust, tomato sauce, cheese, and various toppings. On the other hand, beer is one of the oldest and most widely consumed alcoholic drinks, typically made from barley, hops, water, and yeast. But why are they often mentioned together? The combination of pizza and beer is a classic in many English-speaking countries, symbolizing a casual, enjoyable meal often shared with friends. In this section, we delve into the cultural significance of pizza and beer. This phrase evokes images of social gatherings, like watching sports, casual get-togethers, or a relaxing night with friends. It's about comfort, simplicity, and good times. The phrase often implies an informal, laid-back atmosphere where the focus is on enjoyment and companionship rather than formal dining etiquette. Now, let's look at how pizza and beer is used in everyday language. It's common to hear phrases like, "Let's grab some pizza and beer," when someone suggests a casual meet-up. In movies and TV shows, characters often bond over pizza and beer, reflecting its role as a social glue in many narratives. Understanding this phrase helps in comprehending the cultural context in English-speaking countries. As an English learner, recognizing the cultural and social implications of such phrases is vital. Don't hesitate to use pizza and beer in appropriate contexts, like suggesting a casual dinner with friends or talking about your favorite comfort foods. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding the cultural nuances that make communication meaningful. I hope this video has been both informative and enjoyable, giving you a taste of how food and drink can enrich our understanding of language and culture. Remember, phrases like pizza and beer are more than just words. They're windows into a culture's soul. Keep exploring and enjoying the delicious journey of language learning.